Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Silvercrest personal care hair and beard trimmer used to cut, trim and contour. Titanium coated cartridge with a ceramic blades. Leon technology, no memory effect, low self-discharge, constant high performance efficiency and environmentally friendly. Operating time is 60 minutes, charging time is 90 minutes, 3 years warranty, and you see how it looks. Some accessories that are included inside. Specs: 2 speed settings, normal or turbo, 5 setting adjustment from 0.8 to 2 mm. Direct drive function with a LED display. Leon battery 700 mAh, 3.7 volt. And let's open to see what we've got inside and how we can use it. We can see the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me. I'm gonna find out all about this product. Nice bag. Ooh, many accessories. Very glossy base. And quite heavy. Now we've got 6 combo attachments. We've got the 30 mm, 20 mm, 12 mm, 9 mm, 6 mm and 3 mm. And the thinning attachment. We've got a cleaning brush. You can clean your trimmer, external and internal. We've got a blade oil. You can lubricate inside your blades. We've got a travel case. Nice beautiful travel case. You can fit everything inside. And there we've got a hairdressing cape. That is very convenient. All that inside. That it will help you and prevent any hair comes inside to your body. We've got a scissor and a comb. We've got a charging cable. This is the 5 volt 1 amp. Nice. We've got the charging base. Connect here your cable. Now to the trimmer, we can see the cutting unit. We've got the upper part of the product here with the on-off switch indicator LED. 77 is the battery. Turbo, you can see the icon turbo, and turns off. And after a few seconds it will turn off and the LED. There is the length position indicator, goes from 0.8, 1.1, 1.4, 1.7 and 2 mm. It depends what comb attachment you will insert here. And let's see how they work. Here, just slide it and it will lock. And again, just pull it. Again, slide it, insert, and it will lock. And you can pull it. Now for charging, we can see here we've got 2 contact blades. If you want to charge it to the base, but you can charge it and directly with the cable. The cable is quite long, 2 meters. And we can see when it's charging, it says 77% the battery, and we've got in the indicator for charging, red indicator. When the battery is almost empty, the charging display, it will flash. Indicates that this unit has a few minutes to work. To enable the traveling lock, just press the button for 3 to 5 seconds. And you can see the travel lock is flashing. That's how. You cannot push it, it will not work, it will not accidentally, when you are traveling with the airplane and the bags, it is one bag to the other, so tight, then it will not accidentally turn on this unit. And again, by pressing 3 to 5 seconds, it will turn on and you can work. Now, if you want to clean that inside from hair and if you want to lubricate it, just pull that, it will come out. You can see. You can lubricate here and you can clean it with this brush. And again, push it and it will insert. Well, I think it's time to test it to see how it can cut. Now I will go to 0.8 millimeters. You can see it goes all the way up and down the plastic here. Now, if you want to cut your hair, let's say here, turbo, well, I can say it's doing a great job. It's cutting very well. And even with one pass, it's doing the job. Of course, I will use it. I will cut my hair to see how it works. That is the heavy-duty work with this hair and beard trimmer. And I will leave down below to the description my thoughts if there is any problem. Let's clean here. And of course, with the use of these comb attachments, you're gonna find out the right length for cutting your hair. Well guys, that was all about. It costs 20 euros. It's very cheap and it has all that accessories included inside. Lithium battery, that makes it very different because, you know, with the neodymium batteries are often breaking the batteries and the device was off. That's for with the lithium, you've got a longer life and you've got an end display. That's very convenient to show you all the information that you need. And the travel bag, everything, all these accessories, only 20 euros. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.